Hey, what's up? This is a unboxing video for the Dewalt. This is the DCN21PLM1. This is the 21-degree framing nailer kit. They are $3.99 at Home Depot. It's like $4.32 with tax here in Nevada. So what you get inside is a nice bag. Inside the bag is a 4-amp-hour battery, charger, and a instruction manual. But anywho, and then this is the actual tool right here. This is the DCN21PL. I actually was really excited about this. So I have my fully charged 4-amp-hour battery, and I even have some nails just to do a little quick demo on this. Don't really need a framing nailer, but I think I have ran out of Dewalt tools to get. So this was next on my list, and they are really cool. There you go. Nails are in. And I brought pieces of 2x4s with me, just so that I could do bit of a demonstration video. A couple pieces of 2x4s. Camera a little bit closer. And this is straight out of the box with my battery. It's charged to full, and let's see if we can get this thing in action. So this is, I'm using, what is this, 2 3/8 nails for this. Put this piece on. Let's see, unlock. 2 and 1. Nice drive on those nails. First one, not so good. These pieces of wood are very brittle also. So let's try one that will be standing up. This thing's amazing. I love it. These are just my scrap pieces of wood. It's got the bump mode too, but I don't really like bump mode. I'm more on the single action type. You didn't see that bump mode. Hold the trigger down. That's the bump mode. It's good to have around in your toolbox or my toolkit for whenever I need it. I don't really need it now, but when I need it, sorry, that was an airplane, but when I need it, I'm gonna have it. This is the Dewalt DCN21PL framing nailer.